The CBI and Uttar Pradesh government have challenged the Allahabad High Court's acquittal of Surendra Kohli in the 2006 Nithari murder case in the Supreme Court. On Friday, the Supreme Court agreed to hear separate petitions filed by the CBI and the state government, issuing notices in the process. A bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai, K.V. Vishwanathan and N. Koteswar Singh issued a notice to Kohli seeking his response to the petitions. The court also directed that these petitions be tagged with other pending petitions related to the case. Last year on October 16, the Supreme Court had sought Kohli's response to several petitions filed by the CBI against the High Court's decision. In May of this year, the Supreme Court agreed to hear a petition by a victim's father challenging the High Court's acquittal of Kohli. On September 28, 2010, the Allahabad High Court overturned Kohli's death sentence, which had been imposed by the trial court. The High Court also acquitted Moninder Singh Pandhar, who had been found not guilty by the Sessions Court. Amid the NEET UG controversy, the Supreme Court has taken a significant step regarding the NEET super speciality exams. The court issued a notice to the National Board of Examination challenging the decision to cancel the NEET super speciality exam for 2024. Additionally, the court has permitted NBE to become a party in the case. The petitioner's lawyer informed the court that the NEET super speciality exam is not being held this year to accommodate NEET PG students. The NEET super speciality exam conducted by the NBE typically sees around 20,000 postgraduate doctors competing for approximately 6,000 seats. The cancellation of this year's exam prompted the filing of the petition in the Supreme Court. The Jharkhand High Court expressed strong displeasure at state officials during a hearing on a PIL demanding action against Bangladeshi infiltration. The bench comprising Chief Justice Dr. B.R. Sarangi and Justice S.N. Prasad rejected affidavits submitted by junior officer instead of the deputy commissioners from 6th district in the Santhal Pargana region. The court questioned the attempt to mislead and directed the deputy commissioners of Deoghar, Dumka, Gota, Sahibganj, Pakur and Jamtara to resubmit their affidavits. The next hearing is scheduled for next week. During the session, the administration of Jamtara, Dumka and Gudda claimed no Bangladeshi infiltration in their districts, while Sahibganj reported a few cases. The court dismissed these affidavits as well. The Supreme Court has refused to hear the interim bail plea of two convicts in the Bilkis Banu case. On Friday, it rejected the petition challenging its January 8 decision, which cancelled the remission of sentences for the two convicts. They had sought interim bail until Gujarat government decided on their release, but the Supreme Court denied this request. The case involves the gang rape of Bilkis Banu during 2002 Gujarat riots. Former Jharkhand Rural Development Minister Alamgir Alam's bail plea in the money laundering case related to the Jharkhand Tender Commission scam was heard in ED court on Friday. The Enforcement Directorate requested more time to file a reply, which the Ranchi court granted. The next hearing is scheduled for July 27. Alamgir Alam, arrested by the ED, is accused of involving in a commission scam related to work allocation after tenders.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।